The fastest and the easiest way to look like the Joker in Photoshop. With your black and white image open in Photoshop, drag and drop your chosen Joker image so we can reference the colour. In the Layers panel, with your original image selected, click at a layer above. With the brush tool selected, click the brush settings panel. Here we are looking to select the charcoal brush, or something similar. The irregular shaped brush will allow for a more natural finish when you apply paint to the face. With the eyedropper tool selected, click on the Joker's lips to extract the colour red. Back in the Layers panel, on the layer created, change the blend mode to multiply. Start to paint and apply red around the mouth area using the square bracket key to increase and decrease the size of the brush. Now it's time for some quick photo manipulation. Go to Filter, Liquify. Here we can tilt the eyes slightly inward and increase the smile for a more sinister look. On the same layer, just like the mouth area, start to paint and apply colour to the nose and around the eyes. Don't be overcritical about applying the paint. The brush is in a regular shape for a reason. Apply it fast and freely to give the impression it's been applied by a madman or woman. Lower the opacity to around 85%. Using the eyedropper once again, sample the hair colour and create a new layer. Change the blend mode to colour. Grab a soft brush and start to paint in the subject's hair. Lower the opacity to around 70%. On the same layer, sample the Joker's clothing and apply where needed. For this example, I've coloured in the jacket. Remember, this is your Joker, it doesn't need to be a replica, so have fun with it. Now it's time to really bring your image to life. With the top layer selected, drag and drop an image of sparks or fire. Scale up and change the blend mode to screen. And to finish, the Joker wouldn't be Joker without his signature laugh. And there you have it, you successfully made yourself look like the Joker in Photoshop. Follow for more tips and tricks like this.